is all the pieces you need. You need this. You need
6 black studs, 2 circular brown cubes, a 8x1 gray thing, a square looking cube stuff crap, circle thing,
Hey!
a square
With a whole bunch of studs on it.
studded cube thing.
Quadruple studded cube.
There's that, and you need that switch. So my brother will show you how to make it.
Okay.
So you put those 2 cube things together and put that black thing on the bottom.
It's really hard, so you might need to do it this way. So then you put this on. And then you wait, no. And then you put this on. And then you get one of these studs, put it right here. Then you attach the stud like that. Put all the 4 studs together. Get 4 studs together. Put them on this. And then let's get ready for the engine. First, you need to put this on here. And then you put this right here. And then you get this, the last stud, put it right here, and then put this on it. Actually, I did it wrong. You're actually supposed to put it right here, and then get this, put it right here, put this on top, and then you put it on here, you put this right here, and then you've almost got it. Get it like this, put it like this, and then, there, you got a Lego train. It kind of looks like a train, and it's pretty cool. This is what the train looks like. Bye guys, and this is the end of the video, so bye.